In the heart of Singapore, where dreams take flight, Marina Bay gleams with a captivating light. Skyscrapers kiss the sky, their reflections dance. A symphony of glass and steel, a modern romance. Orchard road winds nearby, a bustling avenue lined with boutiques and cafes, where stories accrue. Tourists and locals stroll hand in hand as the city whispers secrets in the golden sand. Marina Bay Lights, oh how they shimmer and sway, a kaleidoscope of colors, night turn into day. The Merlion roars, its fountains spray high, guardian of this wonderland beneath the Singapore sky. Gardens by the bay, a futuristic delight. Supertrees stretch their arms, reaching for starlight. The canopies bloom, a botanical fantasy. Nature and technology waltz in sweet harmony. Orchard roads, neon signs hum their own tune, a melody of commerce under the silvery moon. Footsteps echo on the pavement, memory's edge, as lovers share secrets, promises and dreams unmatched. Marina Bay Lights, oh how they shimmer and sway, a kaleidoscope of colors, night turning to day. The Merlion roars, its fountains spray high, guardian of this wonderland beneath the Singapore sky. Downtown skyscrapers pierce the clouds, their glass facades mirror stories untold. Taxi headlights glow, weaving through time as the city pulses, its heartbeat bold. Orchard road, a ribbon of desire, where shopaholics chase passions by. Marina Bay's reflections ripple like dreams, a canvas of wonder stitched with moonbeams. Marina Bay Lights, oh how they shimmer and sway, a kaleidoscope of colors, night turn into day. The Merlion roars, its fountains spray high, guardian of this wonderland beneath the Singapore sky. So let's walk hand in hand through Marina's embrace, Orchard Road in downtown, a magical space in the city of contrast.